In this video, we're going to talk about trim surfaces using the mutual trim type. So let's start by selecting Trim Surface and take a look at the mutual trim type option. Now, when we were dealing with standard trims, we would select a single sketch or a single surface and use that to trim another surface. With the case of mutual, you actually want to do two trim operations in one. So we can select multiple surfaces, such as the cylinder and the extruded surface, and then we can opt to keep or remove certain sections. So in this case, I want to remove the inside of our cylinder and this lip that extends above our extruded surface. Then we hit OK. Now there are benefits and drawbacks to using this type of trim surface. Now the benefit is you can do multiple trim operations in one feature. So that way you're not cluttering up your tree with a bunch of features, such as doing multiple trims and then knitting them together. The downside is that these two surfaces are now actually knitted together at the trim. So that means that if you wanted to use one surface or the other for a certain operation, you would have to then go in and do an offset copy of that surface. So as you can see, there are some times where it makes sense to do a mutual trim, and there are other times where it might be more complicated and just do two different single trim operations.